Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what we have here. We have some of these COB LED strips. They are warm white is the color, so it says it's at 2700K. And these is what it looks like here. So it's going to be like a strip, almost like a neon strip. So it's a little bit different than some of the others. And then we have the plug for it, which has a barrel connector. And then we have, I'm going to guess this is the dimmer for it. Here, it's probably the dimmer. Yes, the dimmer control. So, and a little power button there. So it's going to connect up here into here, and then that will connect up into the strip through its barrel connector as well. So let me plug this in, and we'll get it going here. I guess I can just rip that off. Okay. So, sorry, I'm plugging it in over on the side here. I don't have the closest of outlets, but let me aim you guys down here. You can see what I got. So if I push the button, you can see it's on and off. And then I'm going to guess, do I hold it down maybe? Oh, yeah, it's bright. Can you see how bright it is? And then there it's getting dimmer. Oh, yeah, that gets pretty dim. And look, it looks like neon almost, but it's got tons of little tiny little lights in it. And then there's up. So each time you push it, it goes either up or down. So up and then down. So then let's see how bright we can get it. This is the brightest it gets, which is pretty bright. These would be good for even like studio lights. I could just wrap it around something and have it in front of me. So this is a really nice little setup here and really cool looking. I like the way it looks with all the little dots here. It looks just like kind of like a neon thing. So you can make a design, and here, let me turn it off for a second and I'll show you what all we got here. So we have the strip, and then we have on the back, it comes with some of the sticky tape. So we would just peel the sticky tape off, and it's pretty sticky. So I'm not going to stick it on anything at the moment, but you get the idea. So how cool is that? So a nice little warm white light strip. Let me see what the options are here. I don't know if it says anything. Oh yeah, here's the touch dimmer. I figured that one out, pretty self-explanatory. And then here is the instructions. If anybody needs this for anything, I can kind of hold that up. So there you go. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.